Bismillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair. So book 2, lesson 1, exercise 2. And inshallah we will start from exercise 2 today. We completed exercise 1 yesterday. And today inshallah we start from exercise 2. All right, so if possible, I would like one of the participants to try and read the text, and inshallah then we can proceed further to the exercise. Yes, so who is going to read?
Okay, I will, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Nobody else will. ضع هذه العلامة, or is it علامة?
Okay, so what do you reckon?
I feel that it's علامة.
Excellent. And the reason is ضع is also
ضع.
فعل الأمر. This is فعل الأمر. So we know that whenever we use the verb of command, or whenever we use to make an order, so that means that the one who is saying is the subject, and then the verb itself is there. So the subject and the verb, both of them are there. Whenever we make a command, the doer is always there. So for example, da means for one person, yani anta, da, yani you put. So anta is hidden inside that. So anta is the subject, da is the verb, and then after that we need the object. So هذه العلامة will be the object. هذه, we know that this is mabni, it will not change. So we know that هذه, here it is mansub, but we cannot see the haraka because it is mabni and the ending will not change. But al-alamata, the ending will change because it's a definite noun and it has al. So whenever a noun has al, then the ending will change. So ضع هذه العلامة, put this sign, which is the sign of sahih. Okay.
أمام الجمل الصحيحة.
Excellent.
وهذه العلامة أمام الجمل
الجملي, yes.
الجمل التي ليست صحيحة.
Okay, sahiha doesn't have al, so it can be either sahihatun or sahihatan or sahihatin. Laysat, we can see here, this is a defective noun. Inshallah, we will take it in the next lesson. This is basically for the third person feminine, the one that ends with the sakina. For example, dhahabat, right? And similarly, kharajat. And similarly here it is laysat. And the objects that comes after that will be mansub. Inshallah, we will take it tomorrow. But the rest is excellent. So here, amama, we know that amama is a dharf, and this is one of them which gives like kasra to the noun that comes after that, or the one that comes after that will be mudaf ilayhi. Amam al-jumal al-sahihati, al-jumali al-sahihati, wa hadhihi al-alamata, and this sign, وهذه العلامة is also the object of ضع. Okay, so it's coming all the way here. أمام الجمل, in front of the sentences. التي, which ليست صحيحة, are not correct. So basically we have to put the symbol of check in front of the sentences that are correct, and the symbol of X in front of the sentences that are incorrect. All right, so if you remember yesterday's lesson, I hope you do. So Hashimun 𝗕𝗀𝗀𝗶 كسلان. Hashim is a lazy student.
I think it's incorrect.
All right, so it's based on the lesson. So if you studied or if you went through the text, yes, this is incorrect. Hashim is he's an intelligent and hardworking and well-mannered student. So Hashimun is the subject, 𝗕𝗲𝗀𝗀 كسلان is the predicate. Hashim is a lazy student, will be it will be X. It will be incorrect. Okay, 𝗕𝗲𝗀 has tanween, but كسلان doesn't have tanween. Why?
Adjective on the predominant pronoun.
Partially flexible.
Partially flexible, yeah, and it's the reason is it is an adjective, and it ends with alif noon. So that's why we will say 𝗕𝗲𝗀 كسلان. Excellent. All right. And Hashimun, okay, who is going to read on the second part, which is ba? Hashimun.
هاشم طالب مجتهد.
Mujtahidun. Excellent. Hashimun talibun mujtahidun. Okay. Hashim is a hardworking student. Okay, now we can see here talibun mujtahidun. Here talibun is the predicate and it's mawsuf, and the sifa, the adjective is mujtahidun, and we can see here that here it has tanween because it is a common noun, and every indefinite noun can take a tanween. So Hashimun talibun mujtahidun. Hashim is a hardworking student. All right. Number 2. Now you can see most of the text is without the vowel signs. And the reason why I was emphasizing a lot on the endings of the nouns, so that we should be able to read the text without the endings or the endings of the nouns. Okay, so what about number 2?
ساعته رخيصة.
Excellent. ساعته رخيصة. His watch is cheap. Okay, so which one is, this is a nominal sentence. We know that it's a nominal sentence because it starts with a noun. Okay, so which one is the subject and which one is predicate?
ساعته مضاف مضاف إليه مبتدا.
Okay.
رخيصة إذا خبر.
Khabar.
رخيصة.
Okay, we know that normally we know that the subject is, it's a definite noun. It has to be a proper noun. But sa'atuhu doesn't have al. So how come it became a subject?
Because of the attached pronoun.
Excellent.
مضاف إلى المعرفة.
Yes, all attached and detached pronouns, they are definite. They are proper nouns, okay? Or they are into the category of proper nouns. So we know that when we put a common noun with a proper noun, even the common noun becomes a proper noun. Okay, so this is called association, idafa. When we put a common noun, for example, a very famous example, and we use it every time. For example, baytun is a common noun, right? And Allah, or the word Allah, and Allah himself is a proper noun, the most proper, we must say. So when we say baytullahi, the house of Allah, now even the word bayt has become a proper noun because of its association with the proper noun. All right, so this is called mudaf ila al-ma'rifah, that when a common noun is attached to a proper noun, even that common noun also becomes a proper noun. So here sa'a becomes a proper noun. So sa'atuhu, his watch, subject, rakhisatun is cheap, is predicate. Okay, B, which is ba. Is it okay? Sa'atuhu rakhisatun. So is it correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
His watch is it expensive?
No, it's incorrect.
No, I mean number 2 is correct or incorrect? It's incorrect. I believe
Sa'atu rahisatun is correct. Sa'atu ghaliyatun is incorrect.
Incorrect.
It's
Yeah. So alif, that is A, is correct, and which is ba is B. Sa'atuhu ghaliyatun is incorrect. All right. Next one. Number 3.
Number 3 ساعته. No.
ساعته
بألف What is this, sir? Rubiya,
Rubiyatin. Yes.
rubiyatin.
Mhm.
Sa'atuhu,
His watch is worth 1,000
His
riyal,
watch
1,000
1,000
rupees.
rupees.
Yeah, is it?
rupees.
Is it correct or incorrect?
I was absent yesterday, sir.
It was 100 rupees. Yeah. So this is incorrect.
Incorrect.
Yeah. Okay. Whereas B, sa'atuhu.
Mi-
Yes, please.
Bimi'ati rubi'atin.
Okay. This is correct.
Correct.
All right. Excellent.
Sir, what is the ending sound? Bimiyati?
Yes, bimiyati. Because of ba, you know harf jar. So when we have ba, the ending will be majroor. And also we learned yesterday that alf and miya, they always come as mudaf. And the ma'dud that comes after that will be mudaf ilayh. That's number one. And number two, the ma'dud will be singular. So rubiyatin is singular. And also here, rubiyatin is singular. So after alf and miya, the noun that comes after that will be singular. Alfu shahrin, right? So we say Laylatul Qadri khayrum min alfi shahrin. Shahrin, yeah. So we can see here that alfi is majroor because of min, and we have noun, singular noun shahr, the plural is shuhur. So shahrin, so we can see that the noun that comes after alfi and miya is only singular, it will not be plural. All right, number 4.
Akhawatuhu.
Akhawatuhu
Al-Madinatil Munawwara.
bil Madinatil Munawwara. Okay. His
Sahih.
sisters are in Madinah Munawwara. Sahih. Okay. And akhawatuhu bil Hindi.
It's
Ghayr-
wrong.
Wrong. It's ghayr sahih. Okay.
He said sahih.
All right. Laysat sahiha. All right.
Sir, this question right or wrong based on the text,
Text of the lesson. That's right.
not grammatically.
No, not grammatically.
Okay.
Okay. Now ta'ammal ma yali. And now we have to reflect upon what we see here. And as we can see here, that inna is one of the particles which has multiple functions. For example, it is used for emphasis. That's number 1. And number 2, the noun that comes after inna will be mansub. And then the noun will be called khabaru ismu inna, and the predicate will be called khabaru inna. Okay, one of the participants of the sisters once asked yesterday that why do we have to use hu and ha and the attached pronouns, and the reason is because we know that the subject of inna has to be mansub. The subject of inna has to be mansub. For example, we say Allahu ghafurun. And when we say inna, then it becomes inna Allaha ghafurun, right? So the word Allah takes fatha. Similarly, the pronouns that we use after inna, we have to use the object pronouns. We cannot use the subject pronouns because the demand of inna is that the noun after that should be mansub. So that's why we cannot say innahu. We have to use the attached pronoun, which is we cannot say inna huwa, we have to say innahu, because we know that these attached pronouns, when they come after inna, they will be mansub. They will be mansub. All right. Attached pronouns can come with a noun. Do you remember? They can come with a noun. For example, kitab, kitabun, and huwa.
Kitaban, sir.
No, we say kitabun and huwa, and then we say kitabuhu. his book.
Kitabuhu.
Kitabuhu, right? So now when we say kitabuhu, kitab is mudaf and hu is mudaf ilayh, right? His book.
Just like sa'atuhu.
Sa'atuhu, excellent. Yes, all right. And if we have harf jar, and after that we have the attached pronoun, then the attached pronoun will be majroor. For example, we say hum, but when we say ala, when we connect them together, we will say alayhim, alayhim. And now you know that why it's changed into him, because before that we have ya sakina. So alayhim. When we say alayhim, so now ala is harf jar and him is majroor. And when it comes after inna, when the attached pronouns, when they come after inna, they are mansoob. They are what? Mansoob. So innahu, it was basically inna plus huwa, so it became innahu. So how will you say that inna is particle and hu is ismu inna, right? Innahu. So inna is the harf emphasis, harf tawkid, and hu is mansoob, innahu. Similarly, inna plus hum, innahum, right? And inna plus hiya, innaha, and inna plus hunna, innahunna. Now you can see, maybe you can notice that the dual is missing here, but we have already taken it because it will be coming in the later stages, but I thought why not learn it straight away. Inna plus anta equals innaka. So when we say innaka, what will be the construction?
Inna harf tawkid
Okay.
and ka mansoob.
Ka mansoob.
Damir
Mukhatib.
mansoob.
It will be mansoob and it will be called ismu inna, right?
Ismu.
Excellent. And similarly, inna plus antum becomes innakum. For example, I say innakum tullabun mujtahiduna. Indeed, all of you are hardworking students. And similarly, we say inna plus anti, it becomes innaki, and inna plus antunna becomes inna kunna. Now, why did I say innakum? Why do you remember, like, why did I say innakum tullabun mujtahiduna? Because we have like both male and female students. But I didn't say inna kunna, I said innakum.
Because kum will take both for both male and female students.
Female, yes. So when we have like both male and female, when they're being addressed, then even if we have 99 males and 1 female, or 99 females and 1 male, they will be addressed as masculine. And this is again the usloob of the Arabic language without any kind of discrimination. All right, so inna plus ana, it can be innani and it can also be inni. And inna plus nahnu can be innana and also it can be inna. So indeed we are hardworking students.
Innaka ustadun jayyid. We'll use ka and anta for you.
Okay, thank you very much. And when we say we are hardworking students,
Innana.
okay, no, I want to change it. No, I want to change it. We are intelligent students. We are intelligent students. Indeed, we are intelligent students. Okay.
Innana tullabun zakiyun. Zakiyun.
No. The key is
What
used
is
for
the
singular.
plural of Zaki?
Yeah,
Zakiyun, plural. Okay.
Yes.
What's the question again?
Indeed we are intelligent students. This is on the pattern of af'ila'u. Af'ila'u. Excellent. So innana tullabun adkiya'u. Excellent. So indeed we are intelligent students.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now next one. Yes, who is going to read number 4?
I have a question first, sir.
Yes, sure.
About dhu is the sister of inna.
No. La'alla. Dhu belongs to 5 nouns which are called asma'ul khamsa. So, for example, abu, akhu, and dhu. That's a different category. Yeah, and they are nouns.
For dhu, may we make the attached pronoun on it?
No, it comes only by itself. And it
So
always...
it's different slightly than the 5 nouns, because you can say abu, ka, abu, ki.
And dhu itself is, it always comes as mudaf. Whereas Abu and Akhu, they have been derived from Abun and Akhun. Whereas Dhu is by itself. It doesn't have any other counterpart, or it hasn't been derived from anything else or any other word.
Okay, understood. So it's different than the 5 nouns you cannot attach. It's only mudaf, mudaf ilayh.
Exactly. This is always mudaf, mudaf ilayh. That's right. Okay. Now, if you notice here, we have different variety of verbs. For example, here, when we make order, we say da, fi'l al-amr, I should say. So here we have da, and here we have adkhil. This is also fi'l al-amr, okay? So now, yeah, so now we can see that the verbs are really rich in Arabic. There is a lot of variety of verbs. And inshallah, once we learn all the verbs, we will be very confident and inshallah able to understand Arabic as a whole. Okay, so now adkhil, again, enter.
أدخل
Okay. Yes, inna.
إن
على الجمل
على الجمل الآتية.
Okay, so use على الجمل الآتية. So use inna with the following sentences. Okay, atiya, what is the masculine form of atiya? Okay, please. No, please, I would like you to, these minute details, these minor details are very, very important. So whenever I say or tell something like this, because we are preparing ourselves for the coming stage. So when we reach that level, we already know what exactly it is. For example, I told you from ghalin, we say ghaliyatun. And atin, from atin, we say atiyatun. Atiyatun, okay, atin. So this is alif with standing fatha or with mad, and then we have ta with kasratain. Atin, the person who is coming, and atiyatun is the female who is coming. And here, of course, atiya has been used for the sentences. And we know that sentences is broken plural, and broken plural in Arabic is treated as singular feminine. So al-jamal is mawsuf and atiya is sifa. Yani, this is noun and this is adjective. All right, so huwa tajirun.
هو تاجر.
Okay, use inna.
إنه
تاجر.
Innahu tajirun. Okay, innahu. Please, just a couple of times we will do the construction and then we will go ahead. So innahu tajirun, this is a nominal sentence. Which one is the subject and which one is the predicate?
Huwa subject, tajir is
إنه
predicate.
Okay, in
Inna-
this sentence, but when we say innahu tajirun,
هو اسمه إن
اسمه إن تاجر
اسمه إن is
خبر.
okay, yes, please, one more time.
Inna is harf tawqid. Who
Excellent.
is ism inna,
Okay,
and
إن
tajirun
مبتدأ
is
khabar.
khabar
خبر
inna.
إن and predicate.
Excellent. Okay. And why we have to say this again and again, you might be thinking, what's the need? There is a need because we should know that when we use inna, it owns the whole sentence. So the sentence becomes emphatic sentence. It's not a nominal sentence anymore. It is a nominal sentence, but it becomes emphatic nominal sentence. Okay, ana talibun.
إنني
طالب
Inni or innani talibun.
صح.
إني طالب إنني طالب.
Excellent. Okay, number 3. Hum min al-Yabani.
Innahum min al-yabani.
Innahum
هم من
al-Yabani.
اليابان.
Indeed, they are from Japan. Okay. Antum adkiya'u. So here it is. All right.
إنكم
Innakum
أذكياء.
adkiya'u.
Excellent. Innakum adkiya'u. Okay. Indeed, all of you are intelligent. All right. Hiya mutazawwijatun.
Innaha mutazawwijatun.
Okay. So indeed, she is married. Okay. Nahnu muslimuna.
Innana
إننا مسلمون.
إننا مسلمون ونحمد الله ونشكره لهذه النعمة. This is the biggest blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. that He bestowed upon us. Being Muslim is the greatest blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Alhamdulillah, nahmadullah wa nashkuruhu. Okay, number 7. Antunna mujtahidatun.
Inna
Inna
kunna
kunna mujtahidatun.
Inna kunna mujtahidatun. Okay. Indeed, all of you are hardworking.
hardworking.
Okay.
Kunna
Hunna muslimatun.
Innahunna muslimatun.
Innahunna.
And what will be the translation?
Indeed,
Indeed,
indeed
they are
They
Muslim.
are Muslims, female.
Muslim female.
All of them are females. Are Muslim females. Okay. Anta rajulun
So
ghaniyun.
why do we add all of them? Because of
Muslimat.
inna?
No, hunna, because hunna is used for plural.
Plural for
Huwa
female.
for singular.
Yes.
Sorry, ha.
Okay.
Then huma and hunna, right?
Okay.
So for plural, all right. Anta rajulun ghaniyun.
إنك
Innaka
رجل
rajulun ghaniyun.
All right. Indeed, you are a rich man.
Rich man.
Okay. Now, if you tell someone, anta rajulun jayyidun, and if you say innaka rajulun jayyidun or innaka imratun jayyidatun, there is a big difference. Like you're just showing more respect and more dignity to that person. Okay. Anti dhakiyatun.
innaki
Innaki zakiyatun.
Zakiyatun.
Okay. Indeed,
You are
you are
Intelligent.
an
Intelligent
intelligent
woman.
lady.
person.
Okay. All right, number 5. This one should be easier to read. Inshallah, who is going to read the text for number 5?
Ikra.
اقرأ
Al-Atiyah.
آتية.
أمثلة الآتية.
Al-amthilata al-atiyata.
Excellent. So,
Nice.
iqra. Now you see here, this is also a different kind of verb, and the ending is sakin when there is a hamza, hamza sakina, or so it will be recited or it will be read with a small glottal stop. So it will be iqra al-amthilata, al-atiyata. Okay, this is the rule of the tajweed. All right.
That if we connect Ikra'il,
Then when we connect it, of course, it will be iqra'il amthilata al-atiyata. Excellent. Because when we connect sakin, we connect it with kasra. Not all of them. There are very few exceptions, but 95% of them we connect with kasra. For example, min, if you remember, min is the only preposition which is connected with fatha. For example, min and from Allah, so we say min Allah. And if you remember, hum is connected, hum and kum is connected with dhamma.
Humul muflihun.
Hum al-muflihuna, so we say humul muflihuna, right? So 3 of them, please. These are small things again. You need to write them down because normally you don't find them in the books, and normally we don't find in the book. So if you write them down in your notes, in your footnotes, inshallah, they will help you a lot.
Yes.
All right. Al-madarrisu jadidun.
Jadidun.
All right. Innal madarrisa jadidun. Indeed, the teacher is new, and this is a fact. Al-madarrisa jadidun, the teacher is new. Innal madarrisa jadidun. Indeed, the teacher is new. Okay.
Fatimatu tabibatun.
Okay.
Inna Fatimata tabibatun.
Indeed, Fatima is a doctor. So you can see here, again, Fatima, here it has only fatha because it is partially flexible noun.
Hamidun mutazawwijun.
Okay. Okay. Hamidun mutazawwijun. Hamid is married. And inna Hamidan mutazawwijun. Indeed, Hamid is married. Now we can see here because of inna, al-mudarrisu became al-mudarrisa, Fatimatu became Fatimata, and Hamidun became Hamidan. Inna hamidan mutazawwijun. So inna only brings the change to the subject. It does not bring any change to the predicate. The predicate remains the same. However, the noun will be called ismu inna, and the subject will be called ismu inna, and the predicate will be called khabaru inna. Okay, adkhil. Adkhil basically it literally means to enter something, like adkhala yudkhilu idkhalan, to enter something into something. Okay, dakhala is to enter, and adkhala to make something enter. Okay, adkhil inna
على الجمل الآتية وضبط أواخر الكلمات.
Excellent, perfect. أدخل إن على الجمل الآتية. Enter in the following sentences. وضبط أواخر الكلمات, and put the endings of the case endings of the words. Okay. Okay. All right. You have to enter inna, huh? Just straight away. There is no need to read ad-darsu sa'abun. We will enter inna straight away, and then we will make the sentences. Inna ad-darsa sa'abun.
Inna ad-darsa sa'batun.
Sabun, yeah. Dars is,
Sabun.
yeah. Dars is just one singular. Indeed. Okay. Indeed, the lesson is difficult. All right.
السيارة جميلة.
Again.
إن السيارة جميلة.
Excellent. Inna السيارة جميلة. Indeed, the car is
beautiful.
Okay. Number 3. Innal
Qur'ana kitabullah.
Kitabullah. Indeed, Quran is the book of Allah Azza wa Jal. Excellent. Okay, number 4.
Inna Muhammadan sallallahu alayhi wa sallam Rasulullahi.
Excellent. Inna Muhammadan sallallahu alayhi wa sallam Rasulullah. Indeed, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is the Prophet of Allah. Inna
Aminatun
Talibatun.
Inna Amina Aminata Talibatun. Okay. Indeed, Amina is a student. Okay. Number 6.
Innal lughatal arabiyyata sahlatun.
Excellent. So, Innal lughatal arabiyyata sahlatun. Indeed, Arabic language is an easy language. Yes, alhamdulillah. Okay, number 7.
Inna hadhihi as-sa'ata ghaliyatun.
Excellent. Inna hadhihi as-sa'ata ghaliyatun. Indeed, this watch is expensive. Okay. Inna
Bilala ghabiyyun.
Bilala or Bilalan?
Bilalan.
Inna Bilalan Bilalan Ghabiyun. Ghaniyun. Okay. Inna Bilalan. Is it Ghabiyun or Ghaniyun? Should be Ghaniyun. Okay. One dot changes the complete meaning, right?
Yeah.
So the mistake of Arabic is a beautiful language, and the endings and the harakat and the dots can completely change the meaning. So if we put we dot on here, like next to ghain, if we say ghaniyun, it will mean, or it means rich, and we say ghabiyun, that means he is
Miserly.
Miserly, yes. Okay. Number 9. Innal Mughira. Yes, Abdurrahman.
What was the answer for number 8?
Inna Bilalan.
Okay.
And there will be one alif will be added here, by the way. Alif will be added. We know that when the noun is mansub, an extra alif is added. So it will be Bilalan. Yeah, Fathatain. So alif will be added as well. Similarly, Muhammadan, there will alif will be added next to dal, so it will be Muhammadan.
And what's the last?
Again, please.
Is it Bilalan, Ghaniyun?
Here on the book, I can see there is a
Isra.
dot. So this is ba. So if we say ghabiyun, that means miserly. Yeah.
Oh, I have the noon, sorry.
So
In my
all
book,
right, yeah. Okay. In al-mudira fil fasli, indeed, the manager is in the classroom, and in al-ma'a baridun.
Read
Indeed, water
Water.
is cold.
cold.
Yeah, excellent. Baridun. All right. So again, here we can see here some constructions. If we can see here, for example, if you look at the subject and predicate, ad-darsu sa'abun, so subject predicate is just one word, so we say that the predicate is mufrad, right? But here we can see kitabullahi, so the predicate is mudaf mudaf ilayh. Similarly, rasulullahi, mudaf mudaf ilayh. Here we can see that al-lughatu al-arabiyatu, so this is mawsuf sifa. So these small constructions, if we are able to understand them and use them properly, then learning Arabic will be very easy, because either they come as subject or they come as predicate. As we can see here, Kitabullahi is predicate, Rasulullah is predicate, al-lughatu al-arabiyatu is the subject, and hadhihi sa'atu, again you can see here that this is the subject. So the complete compound construction, which is basically almost two words, is normally it is used as subject or predicate. And fil fasli, as you can see here as well, is jar majroor, incomplete construction. And now we can see here as-sayyaratu jamilatun, as-sayyaratu al-mubtada'u, and jamilatun al-khabaru. And when we say inna as-sayyarata, it is ismu inna, and jamilatun is khabaru inna. And this is
I have
yes, please.
just like in this ayah, innahu kana tawwaba.
Yes.
So if we are using inna and kana in the same sentence, so we'll say kana tawwaba is the whole structure is khabar inna.
Khabaru inna, that's right, yes.
And the tawwaba is mansub because of kana, but
Kana.
as whole it's in
It's emphatic sentence. It's an emphatic sentence, yeah. And who is khabaru inna, is ismu inna, and
Ismu
kana
inna.
tawaba ismu inna. If you attended one of the lessons when we talked about the introduction of the verb, so we discussed that even the verb can come as predicate.
Okay.
So basically verb is not predicate. Basically the damir, the hidden damir which is inside that, is the predicate. So kana, in fact,
Okay.
he, so in kana, the huwa is hidden over there. So it refers back to who.
Okay.
And also inna wa yak, and inna only comes with the noun. So if you want to use the verb after that, you have to use innahu, and then after that kana, you can use the verb. We cannot directly use inna with the verb. That's not possible. So we have to use the attached pronoun, for example, innahu, and then we will bring the verb, which is kana, and then after that we have the adjective, the waba, oft forgiving, right?
The sentence still a nominal sentence.
It is still a nominal sentence. When we say dhahaba bilalun, or we say bilalun dhahaba, when we say dhahaba bilalun, that is a verbal sentence. But when we say bilalun dhahaba, that is a nominal sentence.
Yep.
Bilalun dhahaba, because Bilal starts with the noun, so it's a nominal sentence.
Ismiya.
Yes, it's jumlatul ismiya. Okay, ta'ammal, one more variation of the verb again, ta'ammal. All right, so you have to reflect, and you see now there al-mathalain, it was because basically it was mithalan, but because it became aini, because it is mansub. So ani, aini, aini. Please don't forget the sounds. Ani, aini, aini. Ani is the sound of marfu, and aini is the sound of mansub, and aini is the sound of majroor. So whenever we have a noun which is proper, noun which is not broken plural, sound plural, that will be recognized by the sound, ending sound. Ani, aini, aini, una, ina, ina. Okay. Ta'ammalil mithalaini. Okay. And next, thumma. Kawin. Again here, kawin is again a different type of verb. Okay. Kawin.
Jumalan.
Jumalan. Okay.
مثلهما
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 Okay.
من
مثلهما
الكلمات
من
الآتية.
الكلمات الآتية.
Excellent. So we have to reflect on these two examples, and then we have to make sentences based on these examples. We have to make the sentences similar to these two examples.
So
Okay,
what
now
is the
let's
meaning of kawin?
كون يكون تكوينا to form something, to give it a form, shakl, like the form of something, and make, or form, form, form sentences مثلهما, like both of them, huma, both of them, من الكلمات الآتية, from the following words.
words.
Yeah. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
So formation of the sentences, we are forming now sentences based on the examples. المثال والأول, the first example. أمن الهند أنت أم من باكستان? Are you from India or from Pakistan? And المثال الثاني. أطبيب أنت أم مهندس? Are you a doctor or an engineer? So the first one, we can see here that after we have min, that is a preposition. And also after we have preposition. So we discussed that whatever comes after must come after Similarly here, after we have noun tabibun, and after we have also noun muhandisun. All right. So anta mujtahidun and kaslanu.
مجتهد أنت أم كسلان.
Excellent. Mujtahidun anta am kaslanu. Are you hardworking or lazy?
We
Okay.
can also say, sir, anta mujtahidun
There
am
is,
anta kaslanu.
yeah, but there is no need. I mean, it will be added information or extra information. It's better to bring the noun directly after that's much better.
Correct, but lengthy.
Yeah, and it will be added, like we don't really want to get into that much. Okay,
Can you
number
repeat
2.
that again?
Yes, Abdurrahman.
Can you repeat the answer to number 1 again?
Mujtahidun anta am kaslanu.
Okay, after stand. Okay.
Yes, okay. Okay, number 2.
من الصين هي أم من اليابان.
Excellent. من الصين هي أم من اليابان. Is it from China or from Japan? Okay, excellent. Okay, number 3.
طبيبة أنت أم ممرضة؟
طبيبة أنت.
أنت
Yeah.
أم ممرضة؟
أم ممرضة.
ممرضة.
Yeah. طبيبة أنت أم ممرضة? Are you a doctor or a nurse? Okay. Yes, this one.
النصارى
نصارى هم أم
يهود.
يهود. Excellent. Are they Christians or Jews? نصارى هم أم يهود? Excellent. ما شاء الله.
مسجد هذا أم مدرسة؟
Excellent. مسجد هذا أم مدرسة? Is it a masjid or a school? Okay, excellent. Number 6. I would like you to translate as well so that you get used to translation method. Is it's not really ideal, but it helps us a lot to understand Arabic or any language. When we translate from one language to the other language, we get used to it, and then when we start speaking, we don't really have to work on all this translation in our brain first, and then we speak it. So it becomes like more spontaneous and fluent if we try to translate straight away.
سيارة المدير هذه أم سيارة المدرس? Is this the car of? Sorry.
Yes, please.
Is this the car of the manager or the car of the teacher?
Of the teacher. السيارة المدير هذه أم سيارة المدرس أو مدرسي? Excellent. Perfect. Number 7.
Okay. متزوجة.
متزوج.
متزوج.
أنت عزب.
Okay. Are you
married or
Are you married
Single.
or single?
or unmarried?
Okay, excellent. All right, number 8.
أخواتك.
خالاتك.
خالاتك. Okay,
Yeah.
anything.
Yeah, it can be both. أخالاتك هن
أماتك.
أماتك. Okay, translation please.
Are you an aunt or an uncle?
No.
Are they خالاتك هن?
Your maternal.
سبي خالتك.
Again.
But this is
Isn't هن feminine?
Okay, so I mean, what's the problem?
You were saying, are they
your aunts or
to be okay?
or your uncles, right?
Yeah. Okay. I got it.
Isn't it like, are they your maternal aunts or paternal aunts?
Paternal aunt.
Khalat, amat.
Ammatuka, ammatun, yeah, both of them. That's right. Yeah. So because ammun is a plural is amamun. All right. So are they your maternal aunts or paternal aunts, right?
Yes.
Okay. Did you get it?
Yes.
Aunts, basically, there are two types of from the side of the mother or from the side of the father, right?
Yes, sir.
In English, we all of them we call them aunts, right?
Yeah.
But in Urdu, also we say khala, and then we have the other word, and also yeah, and also we have in Arabic khala, and then we have amma, ammatun basically, and plural is ammatun and ammatuka. All right, excellent. Number 9.
من باكستان هو من
من إيران.
Excellent. Amin Pakistan huwa, Amin Iran. Is he from Pakistan or Iran? Okay.
إيران. بيتك غريب. أغريب بيتك
بيتك
أم بعيد؟
قريب بيتك أم بعيد?
بعيد.
Is your house
near or far?
Far.
Excellent. So lots of practice, alhamdulillah. Book 2 is mashallah full of lots of information, lots of new ideas, lots of grammatical points. And again, inshallah, if we are able to complete our 3 books, I'm very inshallah hopeful, and I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that most of the Quran and the Arabic text we will be able to understand. Most of it. Even now, inshallah, when you open the Mus'haf, you can relate it to many things that we have learned so far, like the attached pronouns and the detached pronouns and the noun, subject, predicate, and all that. And once we start the verbs, inshallah, things will open and things will become much easier. So we have to remain consistent in learning and also in making dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make it easier for us. Because without du'as, I believe it is really, really difficult. And why not to make dua? Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves it when we ask for something and He loves to give us. So why not ask Him? So a distance that we can cover in, let's say 3 months, inshallah, with efforts and du'as, we can cover it, inshallah, in a month or maybe less than that.
I have a question.
Yes, Abdurrahman.
You haven't sent us the verb lessons and PDFs.
I didn't.
Yeah, no, you didn't. I don't think you did.
I'm sorry. You can remind me in the group as well, because like alhamdulillah, the whole day like keep on teaching our students in the college, and lots of files, and everything is online now, so there are many files, a lot of files. Yeah,
and there's a lot of things in less than a week. So
yes. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
جزاك الله
Wa
خير.
alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.